What if the world's most powerful pesticide was hiding in plain sight, right in your kitchen? Discover how scientists harness nature's own glue to trap pests without a drop of toxic chemicals. When a plant is attacked by pests, cells around the feeding site switch into a glue-producing mode and secrete droplets of natural adhesive onto the leaf surface, trapping invaders before they can spread. These glue-secreting cells then multiply and produce layers of resin, cellulose, and reinforced epidermal tissue, sealing the wound and restoring the leaf's protective barrier to keep pests at bay. What if we could mimic the way plants make their sticky glue to create a simple, safe liquid that traps pests just like leaves do? That's the question 5 researchers asked. Could copying how plants make sticky glue result in a natural liquid that traps pests? Just last month, the team published their paper harnessing the bioadhesive power of natural deep eutectic solvents for trichome-inspired pest control. Scientists have wrestled with finding effective, eco-friendly pest solutions for centuries, from Sumerians using sulfur compounds to modern sticky traps. Yet today, most pest controls still rely on harsh chemicals that harm the environment and beneficial insects. So the researchers began by examining trichome secretions from Drosera plants and isolating the key adhesive compounds. They then created a plant-inspired sticky liquid by mixing a natural sugar-based solvent with a common skin moisturizer, hyaluronic acid. They tested how well this liquid could be sprayed on leaves and still stay sticky as it dried. Finally, they checked to make sure the adhesive didn't harm plants and then tried trapping tiny insects in the lab. What they discovered was pretty impressive. The new adhesive stayed sticky for at least a week and could be adjusted to spray easily without losing its grip as it dried. It didn't damage any test plants. In fact, the extra sugars gave leaves a small growth boost. In lab tests, the glue caught about 40% of common pests, like thrips, by holding them so they couldn't escape. Now, I think that this paper brings us one step closer to sustainable, toxin-free pest control in agriculture. It would be great to see if this plant-inspired adhesive works effectively under real field conditions against a wider range of insect pests. And now the meme of the week. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into plant-inspired pest control, hit subscribe and check out our video on developing glue from spider silk.